Start by visiting lego.com. In the search bar, type in the number of any Lego set you own. When the listing populates, notice that there is a variety of images down the left-hand side. Choose any image with a solid white background that shows the set completed. Use your computer's screen grab function to take a picture of that image. The picture should save to your computer's files. Continue searching for various sets and grabbing pictures. Once you have all the pictures for your Lego sets, download Lego Labels templates. The first page will include written instructions. The second page will include a link to this video tutorial as well as the full blog post. After creating a free account at Canva.com, click the template button. You will see that a template was shared with you. Click the Use Template button to get started. In the upper right-hand corner, rename the file to something you will recognize. This file now exists in your Canva account and can be adjusted any way you like. The first page simply shows what's included in this template. Labels for mini, long, large, and deep Sterilite boxes. Each page includes a description of which box these labels are for, as well as which labels are meant for the side and which labels are meant for the lid of each box. On each label, there is a picture placeholder as well as a text box. These can be edited and adjusted as you need. To start, drop all of your saved Lego set images into the left-hand bar in Canva. Once they fully upload, you'll be able to drop them directly into the image placeholders. Double-click any image to resize, move, zoom in, until you have it exactly as you want it. At any time, you can delete out the image and replace it. Load the same pictures and text into labels for both the side and lid of each box. If you need to adjust sizing or spacing, the purple snap grids will ensure that everything is lined up correctly. In the event that you drop a picture into the image placeholder and you just can't get it to fit properly, no matter what type of zooming you do, don't worry. Simply delete out the picture placeholder altogether. Drop in a fresh picture and then size it to your preference. In the event that a label has the placeholder sideways, don't worry about rotating your image. You can drop it right in and the image will auto-rotate for you. Once you have populated all of your labels as needed, click Download in the upper right-hand corner. From the drop-down menu, select PDF. Standard or print will both work. Click Download and the file will save to your computer. When you open the PDF, print the pages you need at 100% resolution. I suggest printing your labels onto white cardstock, white photo paper, or white sticker paper. Trim them along the gray lines with a paper trimmer, and then secure to your Lego storage boxes with clear packing tape. Once done, you'll be able to see all of your Lego sets quickly, easily, and at a glance.